Floodwaters have yet to recede along the Causeway this evening. Today it was just a mess traffic-wise. The Causeway was closed down due to flooding, and that only fueled gridlock on the Bayway. We're going to check in now with News 5's Brianna Hollis. She is live on the Causeway with the latest on conditions there. Bree?
Well, Rosanna, I was just talking about those strong winds. I'm certainly standing right in the middle of that right now. When those waves that wind is contributing to those waves continuing to crash over the Causeway barrier walls. I'm going to go ahead, turn the camera around so you guys can get a look at what the Causeway looks like from our vantage point right now. Aldot actually led us on the exit 30 off ramp where it's completely closed right now to other cars, but this is a safe distance away from the flooding for us to be filming. And at first glance, it almost looks like the Causeway is completely submerged in both directions, but as I zoom my camera in, we can see that it is still just covering the eastbound side, but regardless, both directions are closed. And I'm gonna try to zoom in again. I'm using my phone, but you see those little things sticking out in the water? Those are one, traffic cones, as well as the edges, the docks over here. So there's definitely usually, not as much water over there at the moment. You guys were mentioning the traffic. It took me an hour and 40 minutes to get here from the station, which is near the shops at Bel Air, for people who may not know exactly where that is, because of that gridlock on the Bayway. Let's actually show you a little bit of that. It's pretty slow over here at the moment, and that gridlock obviously partly due to the fact that the Causeway is completely closed, one of only two ways across the bay. Now, Aldot had originally told us that they maybe wanted to try and get this open back up tonight, but now they don't really think that's a possibility. But we'll sure to be in close contact with them so we can let you guys know as soon as it does, in fact, open back up. Reporting live from the Causeway, Brianna Hollis, WKRG News 5.